As your organisation starts to grow, you may want to market to them. So how do you find out their names and their email addresses? As you can see here, I've got 266 people, but when you go into the levels here and you click on that level 1, all you see is their username and their affiliate ID. You have no idea what their name or their email address. So how do you find it? So what you need to do is to come back to the dashboard. Once you're on the dashboard, you'll see on the right of this image here, it says get the free marketing and training app. I highly recommend that you get this. You can either download it to your phone if you're going to be using a mobile device or a tablet, or you can access it from your computer. I use my computer, so I'm just going to click where it says click here. So when you click that, it brings you straight onto the training page. I would highly recommend that you go through this training. Now, there's a couple of other things that I want to show you as well. You've got my pages. So if you wanted to promote your business, you can find a page here already built for you. And if you look down, you've got a ton of pages that you can use. Now, I shall make some other videos on this, on how to set all this up. But you can find out if you go through the training. It's very simple to do. There's 2 pages there of marketing material, which is great. But what we're looking for is our referrals. How do we find out the names and email addresses of our downline? So if you look in the top right hand corner, mine's got that black circle with JR written in it. You hover your mouse over there. That opens up this menu and you go down to referrals. Once you're on this page, then what you need to do is it says users. So review user details. So you click on that and that's going to give you all the names and the email addresses of everybody in your downline. It will show you how many you've got in total, how many new in the last 7 days, how many new today, and how many people have downloaded and installed this app on their mobile phone. And then all you need to do, if you want to view the full details of this, say this user here, you'd click on that eye icon like that. That will open up a pop-up. It will give you their name, their telephone number, their email address, the date they signed up, and their user ID number. And that's how easy it is to find your referrals in EazyBot. If you like this type of content, then give me the thumbs up and subscribe so you get notified when I upload a new video. And leave in the comments if there's any videos you'd like me to make regarding EazyBot or any other business for that matter. You have a great day and I'll speak to you soon in another video. Bye now.